Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in perspective. Pick 1 or 2 vanishing points and draw a light horizon. Next, sketch a rectangular block to contain the M. This gives scale and prevents distortion. Once done, lay guidelines for stroke widths and stem angles using measured intervals like 0, 5 or 1 to keep symmetry. Make sure to keep lines light so you can erase later. This early structure saves time and keeps proportions accurate as you move into 3-dimensional forms. You now convert the flat M into volume, trace the front outline, then project every corner toward the vanishing point to create back-edge references. Once those projection lines are set, draw parallel offsets to define extrusion thickness. Make sure opposite strokes remain parallel so the letter reads as a solid. After connecting offsets, block invisible faces and hidden planes. Use tapered strokes where the M narrows. This step defines readable form and prevents the letter from looking flat or long. You finish by cleaning and rendering. Erase guides, sharpen edge joins, and add small bevels for realism. Then choose a light direction and paint coarse shadows on recessed faces, softer ambient occlusion near joins, and crisp highlights on rims. Add a cast shadow on the ground plane to anchor the M. If something looks wrong, stop and recheck your vanishing point alignment and corresponding projections, then nudge projected vertices. Correcting the framework now fixes most visible errors without reworking details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.